है मतलब?
I don't know, man. The movie was just the way it is. So that's the film it is. So I can't really.
Right. Talking about phobia. Directors को अक्सर producer और actress बड़ा परेशान करते हैं. तो actressophobia हुआ या directorophobia? वो producerophobia?
I think directorophobia.
Directorophobia ही हो गया. चलिए ठीक है. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Vicky Rajani साहब के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. The producer of this movie. सर कितना सही था, मतलब डायरेक्टर साहब ने कहा हम इतना डराएंगे, आपने कहा नहीं यार इसमें थोड़ा रोमांस डाल दो लोगों को और थोड़ा अच्छा फीलिंग कराने के लिए, ऐसा कुछ था? आपका सही था गाने में?
नहीं, it was a part of the script where the movie always has the light moments, you know, you can't keep it intense all the while. So it was a creative call on the script only.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the very gorgeous and the amazingly talented, मतलब ऐसी फिल्म बने तो इनसे ज्यादा इनसे ज्यादा एप्ट एक्ट्रेस हो ही नहीं सकती. राधिका आप्टे, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause. Welcome, Radhika. You're looking gorgeous. सबसे पहले मुझे बता दो, ये बाहर जो VR सेट से इन लोगों ने दिखाया, आपको कैसा लगा?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Actually, suddenly it took me back to the film shoot.
And I've heard this was the first time you saw this thing.
No, this video, yes. But during the film, a part of Mehak's treatment was to go to have the VR sets, and that's her reintroduction to the outside world because she can't go out.
Right.
So we saw a lot of videos, and the first time I saw the video, I remember, because you're watching it and things are happening, and you're actually moving like it's real. It's incredible.
And whose idea was it कि एक romantic गाना भी होना चाहिए? आपने कहा कि?
No, it's a script. It was in the script,
okay.
and it's really they have a really interesting relationship.
Okay.
Shaan and Mehak. Yeah, I think it's a really sweet dance song. We really enjoyed it.
And I saw the trailer. I loved it. A lot of people loved it. उसमें last में कह रहे हैं मतलब they'll make sure you watch the movie. बिल्कुल ऐसी full on धमकी दी हुई है राधिका and पूरी टीम ने. So now I'm sure you people are too excited to talk to them. So over to the media. आप लोग के जो भी सवाल हो शक शुबे after the photo op. Yeah.
From Fame, straight up.
Hi. Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, good.
Right, Vicky. So the 360-degree VR video is kick-ass, and how do you plan to make some money out of it? I mean, to commercialize it, maybe.
We've not thought of any commercialization on the 360-degree video, but we thought that since we've used this technology in the movie and we've introduced it first time in Bollywood, we should showcase it to the media and let it go out online. So it's a new innovation for Bollywood which hasn't been done for a movie before. So that was the basic plan for it.
Radhika, when we were watching the video, we weren't really giving so many jhatkas and looking everywhere. You actually did a 360 turn while you were watching the video.
Yeah.
What were you actually trying to find? I mean, we were all looking at you, but were you trying to find the props inside the house? Or?
No, actually what happened when I shot for it, I shot my bit and I went away. So I wanted to see when I'm talking, is there anything else happening around? Because the whole house, you actually can turn and see everything, right? So I was just wondering ki kya. That's toast.
Phobia.
Yeah, seriously, I was like, is that like some gimmick? No.
Oh, my phone.
Your phone. But anyway, so I was trying to see if there is anything else happening like this. For example, I'm talking and there's something happening in his pocket. So I was trying to find those spaces.
राधिका, आपके सामने रितेश
जी, हाय.
किसका आइडिया था ये जो प्रमोशनल स्ट्रेटेजी है, और किसका आइडिया था पहले?
आई थिंक ये तो इन दोनों का आइडिया था. मतलब फिल्म में VR यूज करना जो है वो आइडिया इनका था, क्योंकि बहुत देशों में एग्रोफोबिया के लिए और for all kinds of phobias they use the technique because you can't do it. For example, if you have vertigo and you cannot climb up and you cannot look down, so they'll give you a video that your body starts, your impulse starts sort of reducing with the video. You keep watching it. So basically the technique is used. So we've used it in the film as a part of treatment. And I think it was a fantastic strategy because not a lot of people know about it, and it's up and coming, and I think it's going to go really. It has a potential to go really viral. The whole VR idea, the whole 360 video, and we've done it for the first time, so I think it's there, baby.
राधिका, आपको किस चीज का फोबिया है?
अरे किसी भी चीज का फोबिया नहीं मुझे।
फिल्मों का फोबिया नहीं?
फिल्मों का वो तुम मतलब दैट्स माय लव, फोबिया कैसे होगा?
Radhika, I'm being told that you're Abhishek.
Yes, hi.
I'm being told that you're also a good singer. So could you
Who
hum
said?
a line of Roke Na Roke? Tina told me. And Disha told me.
दिशा? I'll sing it for you separately outside. Is that okay?
Lucky you, huh?
Radhika, Prabhat from ANI.
Hi.
Radhika, recently Rishi Kapoor tweeted regarding the dominance of the Gandhi family, regarding the Congress party,
Oh.
that every airport or sea link or anything named after Gandhi or Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi as such. Even you people contribute a lot to the society, entertaining people. So it shouldn't be named like Amitabh Bachchan Airport or Lata Mangeshkar Airport as such. What do you feel about it?
Man, I've really not thought about it. And I haven't read the tweet. So I'll think about it. Next time I see you, I'll tell you what I feel.
No, but
Yeah.
what I want to ask is
genuinely haven't
that
seen
what I want to ask is
tweets.
that don't you think you people contribute to the society by entertaining people?
I think there are way more people who contribute to the society by contribute like in many ways we don't even know them. So I don't think much about this.
And right now we'll contribute to this amazing movie,
Yeah.
and we'll ask
No, I
questions.
really don't think much
thoda sa,
about this.
huh?
Yeah.
Great. Ji.
Anybody else?
Hi Radhika over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you played a wonderful role of phobia-cytic girl over here. So how did you prepare for the role? Like, did you met any patients or something like that?
I do have friends who have panic disorder, and I've also had panic attacks in my life a few times, and I'm sure you've all must have had it sometime or the other in your lives. But yeah, I've had friends, I've lived with them, I've grown up with them. I know the disorder very well. I'm from a doctor's family. My father's a neurosurgeon. Wherever I go, there are doctors. So, I mean, I know psychologists, and I've met them a lot. I actually had this one particular friend of mine, Ashutosh, who helped me a lot with the research. And he was always on the call with me. Anytime I had any questions while on the set or before the set during rehearsals, he would always help. I read a few things, I read a couple of books, and I also saw a lot of videos to really get the idea of what happens when you get a panic attack, because there's a description available, but it's very helpful to actually watch.
So will there be only a single song in the movie? क्या और कुछ गाने भी होंगे फिल्म में?
Should I say?
To the makers or
Yeah, it's only one. There's only one song.
Okay.
राधिका, दिस इज राकेश here.
Hi.
राधिका, ऐसा कोई आपका कोई फ्रेंड या फिर जिसको फोबिया हो, अगर उसकी कोई कहानी अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें
वो
अपनी?
तो उनकी पर्सनल कहानी है यार, ऐसे लोगों की पर्सनल चीजें थोड़ी ना मैं यहाँ पब्लिक में बताऊंगी, पर वो उनकी खुद की कहानी है। जो महक की कहानी है मैंने बताई है, तो वो तो देख लो आप।
नहीं, ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस जो आपके साथ हुआ हो, अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें?
नहीं, I really find it very uncomfortable. It's their issues and their problems, and it's very personal to them. It's my responsibility to keep it
No problem.
secret. Yeah.
Yes, it is for sure. I mean, it's not being inspired. I think mental problems, illness, and issues like this are very rampant, and we just don't give it too much attention. But it's there, and no, not really. It was just I really wanted to tell a movie about phobias and paranoias and fear. So it was an exploration of that. Yeah.
ये आप जब पूछ रहे हो कि आज के ज़माने में है या नहीं, that's why I think this is very important, because in the whole world, very honestly, and in our country even more, people are not aware of phobias. They don't know that it's a disorder. It's a proper biological condition as well, and it requires treatment, and people don't fake it. It actually happens to them. So क्योंकि क्या होता है, हमेशा कभी-कभी किसी को पैनिक अटैक आ जाए तो लोग बोलते हैं अरे पागल है, क्या हो रहा है उसको, क्या मतलब डिप्रेशन है. At least now depression is recognized more than it was before. before, but these phobias are not. And pagal koi nahi hai, actually, that's a problem. A very interesting thing that the psychologist that I was telling you about told me was that it's like fever. जैसे फीवर चढ़ता है बॉडीली, इट्स अ फिजिकल कंडीशन, राइट? फीवर आता है तो आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते. वैसे जब पैनिक अटैक आता है तो योर बॉडी स्टार्ट्स रिएक्टिंग. यू कांट हेल्प इट. It's very neurological, it's very biological. So it's there. We have many patients in the world. We need to be more aware of that so that people can get treatments for it.
Cool. I think that's it. That's all about it. Radhika, I would want to ask you something. For how long have you been confined to a place? कभी ऐसा हुआ कि किसी फिल्म की प्रेप के लिए या कुछ एक जगह बंद के बैठी हूँ, जैसे इसमें तो घर के अंदर ही?
नहीं. Actually, only this shoot. I think we shot for 28 days, one location, and it was very hectic. So we used to like be on the set most of the day and then go sleep, come back on the set. So it was just really good to be in one space for that month and very focused and stuck there in a way.
अपने ऊपर कुछ ऐसा इफेक्ट था, कुछ ऐसा था that you were like into it, तो उस वजह से कुछ अपने को फर्क पड़ा?
I personally I'm very used to switching on and off, so it doesn't really bother me very much.
Right. Cool. That's all we have for you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Time for your